Hey, Edgars from Funneltopia here. In the previous video, we set up a sales page with a checkout form, tested it out, right? Once they purchase, they get an access to a course. But in this one, we're going to actually make the confirmation page a little bit better looking, I guess. It was just a bit of a mess. It's still going to be simple, but there's going to be a couple things we're going to need to do for the page that people see after they purchase, just to kind of reassure that this is what you bought, this is where the contact information is, just kind of like a really simple page. So yeah, let's go in and let's go edit. There's a couple of things I want to achieve with the confirmation page, right? So there's like the sales page, there might be upsells, downsells, all that stuff, right? They go through the process. And this is like the last page that they end up on, right? After everything, like the purchase has been made. And what I want to do here is, first of all, I want to reassure that, yep, this is everything that you wanted to do. It just happened. And this is what's going to happen next. So that's going to be here. It would be something like, right, so something like this. Let's move my face aside. So basically just kind of let them know what the next thing is, right? So everything is good. It went through, we collected the money and you're going to get your product, what you sign up for. And this is what happens next. Check your inbox within the next 5 to 10 minutes. And I also like to add a second line like this. For any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to email, whatever your email is, your support email, for multiple reasons. Stuff like, oh, I don't know, they put in the wrong email, right? In a rush, instead of .com, they put in .con and nothing comes. And they're just stuck. It's like, they don't know how to reach out to you. So this is kind of I've seen that multiple times. It has helped. People just kind of reach out. It's like, hey, where's my, I haven't received it. And then you go check, you're like, oh, your email, wasn't put in properly. But basically it's just, you give them the contact information just to be transparent, to be available just in case they have any questions, any concerns, anything. You want to alleviate those, just for the refund rates to be lower for whatever reason, your fault or not. So it's just good to have that here. And the third thing I want to have, and that's pretty much it. I think, yeah, just 3 things. I want to have I'm just going to delete, first of all, I'm going to delete everything else. This is not needed. Your logos and all that stuff, right? Let's delete. And the third thing I want to have is an outline of what they just purchased. So let's go here. Let's go to elements. Let's scroll all the way down. Order confirmation over here. So once they purchase, this automatically fills out the information that they gave us, the things that they bought. It can be just one thing, right? If it's just one sales page, one product. It can be multiple things, order bumps, or maybe there's like several things that they added to cart. This is a good thing to have in the end. They see everything outlined, what the prices are, what the total is, if there's tax, just everything. They get a full overview. So this is a really good thing. I highly recommend it. And it's, as I said, it's here in the elements, and you drag it in. And you can edit it in some ways. I don't think it's really necessary, but there's some, if you click on it, I guess you can do a little bit of spacing, right? It's kind of really close to this text. So maybe do something like this, padding 20. Nope, never mind. Let's do this element then. It doesn't let me. So let's do margin 10, a little bit more, right? So just give it a little bit more breathing room. So you can do stuff like that. As for this element, the order confirmation one, click advanced. You can technically change up all these things, like what it says here, total, product, order confirmation. You can edit all that text, but I don't know, doesn't really matter. It's good as is. You can change up the colors for your brand. But again, it's pretty basic. There's no need to tinker with all that stuff. But yeah, so I'm going to publish the page, and then I'm going to go make a test purchase just to see what it looks like. So we'll be there in a second. Okay, so here we are. I'm about to do the checkout, put in all my information. You can see Good Corgi 4-week challenge, $97. So yeah, let's just put in the information. And we are good to go. Let's complete it. And here we go. This is the stuff we changed. Here's the email is here, and populated automatically. So simple as that. Obviously, you can have like links at the bottom, where to go next, all that stuff. I usually like to deliver things via email, keep it all in one place, especially if there's several things, because they're going to be receiving their receipt, and there's like a course access. Maybe there's like another email with like something else in it. So I just like to keep it all in email. But obviously, you can have like any other stuff here as well, links to whatever, to course logins at the bottom, but I wouldn't go too crazy. This is like the baseline that you could be using. If you have any questions over here at the bottom, 24/7 chat support, let us know about this, about anything else Funneltopia related. And if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.